Hey everyone, it's Ben with Master Spot Parts here. Today we're going to discuss the diverters on the 2018 and 2019 hot tubs and swim spas. This one here, we found that it just spins. So upon taking the cap off, it just pops right off. This nut here, we found that the rotor assembly was broke. The easiest way to get that out is just take a screw the screw into the rotor assembly, and pull out the rotor. As you can tell, broke off. Another thing quick we're going to talk about while we got you here is the diverter caps. This is what could have came on your tub 2018. This is what's happening to them is the threads are breaking off. So they have replaced them with a heavier duty plastic cap. It's just a matter of removing the handle, putting the cap on, tightening it down, and you'll be all good to go. If you have any questions in regards to this, please give us a call, 855-308-2149. Have a good day.